I'm continuing my flowchart video here. So then on my tactical flowchart, I have a lot of steps, and I'm going to have a lot more here because I have chosen to make this tactical flowchart about how we get a new customer. Here, let me put a little subtitle here. Whoops. Put a little subtitle here. Bring the text here. So obtaining a new customer. All right, so that is what I'm trying to explain on this flowchart. So identify the customer. Actually, I guess I should call it the potential customer. Then contact. The way I identify the customer is I contact her on the school website. Does she reply? Blah blah blah. What does she need? Check the inventory. Check the inventory. Do we have what she needs? If yes, then we will do a certain action. And if no, we will do some other action. I want you to make this flowchart, make your flowchart using a business that you imagine, or a business that you work for, or a business that you would like to start. You know, just any business that you could imagine pretty detailed. No, any business that you could imagine in a pretty detailed way. So if I do have the stuff in stock that the teacher needs, then I would arrange a time to show the to visit. All right, and that is my yes decision diamond there. That's my yes option. And what if it is not in stock? If it is not in stock, then we need to get it. So the no option if that item is not in stock, then we need to go get it. So we need to do another decision diamond. Can we afford to buy? Right? So you're going to have to, actually, it doesn't make sense to ask the question, can we afford to buy immediately? What you have to do first is you have to find out. What we do first is, we need to go shopping. So we need to we need to go look at the places where we usually collect donations of old lab equipment. Can we find that item? Can we find that item on Craigslist? Can we find that item on eBay? These are all things that the teacher has no time to do, but we have time. But this is why we are here. So where can we find the needed item? So you will find this online, or we will find this online, or at a donor site. So all these steps are not necessarily things that the business actually does. No, all these steps are things that I imagine the business should do. All right. So then once you know where we can find it, can we afford to buy it or not? All right. So I want you to make a tactical flowchart like this. I'm not finished yet, of course. So this decision diamond is going to need a yes option, and it's going to need a no option. You know, Let me shrink the size of this canvas a little bit. Right, so you can use another page if you want. If you find that your tactical plan is getting too large to fit on the same page as your strategic plan, that's fine. You can make a you can select all of the elements of your tactical plan and put them on a new page. So I'm going to rename this document as just my, so this is Glenn's strategic flow chart example. All right, and then I am going to get a new document, and I'm going to make it a flow chart, another flow chart. Where are the flow charts? Okay. I just have to wait for the internet to find the flow charts. I'm pretty sure that flow chart is one of these. Okay, perhaps this is not the right way to make a new page. I'm going to click on the orange button, which is off the screen here, but you'll see it when you use the software. When I click on the orange button, that gets me back to the templates, and then these are flowchart templates, so I'm just going to make a new flowchart here. Flowchart, blank flowchart, all right, open template. And then I'm just going to paste. I had cut out all the elements of my tactical plan, and I'm going to paste them on this new page because I need more room. There they are. So this is this is my tactical plan, and I'm going to continue now. So can we afford to buy? There's going to be a yes option. There's going to be a no option, and I will continue this as far as I care to. Right? This is all imaginary, of course, but so far I have enough steps here to meet the requirement for the assignment. I have more than 5 steps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have more than 5 steps here, and I'm not done. I know that I'm not done because I have not ended with an oval. I've got to end with an oval. And also, this decision diamond needs a yes and a no option. So I'm not finished yet, but I can just progress from here. Now, once you are finished, let me show you how you can turn your work in. Now, you can turn this in by posting it as an image or by posting it as a document. So if you go to the File menu here, you can export this as a PNG. Export as PNG. So this is going to be a PNG file. You can have it trimmed down to size or not trimmed down to size. I recommend trimmed down to size, crop to content. And then there's a button that is off the screen here called download. You can download that, and then when you download that, so I'm using a Mac today, so I'm going to call this Glenn's tactical flow example. All right, and it's going to be a PNG file, and this is how you would post your work. So you would click on reply in the assignment, and then you would click on the embed image button in the rich text editor toolbar. Did you know that's what that was called? Isn't that crazy? This is called rich text editor toolbar. That's crazy. You're going to click on canvas there, and then you can click on I'm not sure if you have course files and my files, both of those, but if you do, then course files is what you're going to want to use, and then you will upload a file, and I'm going to upload Glenn's tactical flow example, so the file that I just exported. All right, the alt text. I'm going to write, well, it gets filled in with the file name automatically. All right, and then if you want to make it smaller, you can, or if you don't want to make it smaller, that's okay. You could keep it big, and then it shows up like that. All right, now there's another option. If you don't feel like sitting there and waiting for your internet to upload stuff, you don't have to. You can go back to your diagram and give it an appropriate title. So Glenn's tactical flow example, and then you can make a link to this, right? So if I click on share here, I can get a shareable link, and I can just copy this link, and then I can go to my assignment here, and I can paste the link. I can paste the link right here. So boom, that is my tactical. And then I will do that same share link thing again, and boom, that will be my strategic. All right. And then after you've posted your stuff, I want you to go and comment on someone else's 2 flowcharts. All right. So I'm going to post that there. So the way you comment on someone's stuff is you click on reply, and then you comment on it. You go, in your tactical flow chart, you have a decision diamond that has no yes/no options. Right, so that is a very useful comment. Right. What about your strategic flow chart is general and suitable and makes sense for your business, right? That's a useful comment, right? Let me show you some comments that are not useful. I don't understand your flowcharts. So that's not useful, because I can't fix my flowcharts if I don't know why you don't understand it. All right. So that's not useful. Great job. So that's not useful at all, because I don't know what you're great jobbing me about. Do you like my colors? Do you like how many steps I used? So here's an example of a useful comment. The third shape in your tactical flowchart does not make sense to me because there is a complicated process in that one shape. Right? So that is a very good comment. That means I need to break up my third shape into several separate shapes, because every shape in the flowchart has to be one step. All right. So please comment on someone's stuff. All right. You just need to comment on one person's stuff, and you can see how I'm going to grade this. I'm going to grade it with these criteria. And after you get some feedback from some other student, please fix your stuff. Change your flowchart so that it will meet these grading criteria, right? And that's it. For your next assignment, you will have another flowchart to do, but you will not get a chance to fix your stuff, and you will not get a chance to get your peers' helpful comments. All right? Thank you. Bye.